On Reinders.com, you can now schedule payments for your invoices. Please note, these are not automatic or recurring payments. To get started, log into your account and navigate to the online bill pay section. Once you're in the bill pay section, you will need to choose the specific invoice you wish to pay from the Open Invoices tab. You also need to put in the amount you want to pay, and can choose a reason for the payment. You can schedule payments for the full invoice or choose to make a partial payment. If you opt for a partial payment, specify the desired amount in the Amount to Pay field. Click on the green Actions button in the top right of the page. Here, you have the option to pay selected invoices or schedule payments for them. After scheduling the payment, the status for the invoice will change to Scheduled. You will also receive an email notification confirming the scheduled payment. If you wish to cancel a scheduled payment, select the corresponding line, and choose Cancel Selected Scheduled Payments from the Actions button. If you have multiple scheduled payments, pay attention to the dates. As a reminder, these are not automatic or recurring payments. You should confirm each scheduled payment individually.